Hello! This is Amanda with Greensboro Public Library. Today's video is in honor of World Bee Day. The United Nations designated May 20th a day to raise awareness of the importance of pollinators, the threats they face, and their contribution to sustainable development. It is observed on the birthday of Anton Jansa, 1734-73, who pioneered modern beekeeping techniques in the 18th century in his native Slovenia. Today's cookbook highlight is Honey & Co. The Cookbook by Itamar, Srulovich, and Sarit Packer. Today's recipe is Feta and Honey Cheesecake on a phyllo pastry base. For your ingredients, you will need melted butter, shredded phyllo, sugar, cream cheese, heavy cream, confection of sugar, honey, smooth and creamy feta, vanilla extract, honey again, water, and optional oregano leaves, almonds, or seasonal fruit. Step 1. Preheat the oven to 350 degrees Fahrenheit. Mix the melted butter with the shredded phyllo and sugar in a bowl. Fluff the phyllo by pulling it and loosening the shreds with your hands till it gets an even coating of sugar and butter. Step 2. Pull clumps of phyllo mix out of the mass and pat into a greased and parchment paper lined springform pan. Press up against the sides until it resembles a large bird's nest. Bake for about 15 to 18 minutes or until golden, then let cool. Step 3. Place all of the cheesecake cream ingredients into a large bowl and combine with a big spoon using circular folding motions until the mixture thickens and starts to hold swirls. Don't use a whisk so not to add air to the mixture. Step 4. Check that it is sufficiently thick by scooping some onto a spoon and turning it upside down. It should stay where it is. If not, mix it some more. Step 5. Put the cheesecake cream into the cooled phyllo crust. Then wrap with plastic wrap and let set in the refrigerator for 8 to 24 hours. Step 6. Put the honey and water for the syrup in a small pan and boil together for about 2 minutes, skimming off impurities. Remove from the stove and let cool to thicken. Step 7. When ready to serve, remove from the refrigerator, unwrap the plastic wrap, and gently remove the springform sides. Decorate with your choice of garnishes and top with the honey syrup. All that's left is to enjoy. Thank you for joining me with Cooking with the GPL collection. I'll see you next time. Have a great day.